All right, guys, here we go. Taking a look at the US dollar currency index, the DXY, and this is one of the reasons for the slam down of silver today, and also, of course, the pullback on gold and oil, and we'll cover all those specifically here in a second. But wanted to bring up the daily chart here of the US dollar currency index. As we see out of this big blow up candle here, really a bullish engulfing, clearing, taking everything out right over here to the left. And of course, we're hitting resistance. If you've been watching our videos lately, we've had this resistance line up here, it seemed like forever. So we're really trading in a sideways price consolidation zone, as you can see. And the breakout is going to be huge. Okay. So just go back to any chart. It could be Apple on the stock market. It could be, Bitcoin, crypto, gold, silver, whatever. And when you get this lengthy sideways consolidation zone, basically a rectangle here on your chart. Price will, that's all where it has to go is either up or down. It'll move real strong, real fast in one of those directions. You just kind of sit on your hands until that happens. And as we've been talking about as well, our Patreon members know how to come up with this measure and move where the green dash line is. And as you see, it's a very significant, very important line. The Fed has been protecting that line, not allowing, continuation to the downside. Every time we closed under it, they reversed it pretty much the next day. Close, reverse, close, reverse, close, reverse, so, so on and so forth. So we'll see if the Fed comes in and tries to run this thing up to the upside, which will crash our or pull back our gold and silver even harder. Here we are on silver, and we've been short, not bragging or complaining since almost the top up here, as you can see. And we're able to control, 3,000 ounces of silver for a little over 6 grand. And we teach that in our micro futures course. And as you can see here, we're under support. Doesn't mean we're going to close there. We still have, a while to go. But this whole consolidation area over here of previous resistance should be support for silver. But we'll wait until we get closer to the close. We still have over 3 hours to go. We don't want to jump in, too soon here to possibly catch, more downside or what have you. But anyway, we do have our measured moves here for, possible support zone. And then let's see where our 50 is. Yeah, we'll go ahead and call it now in the video, $24. That's where we're headed, or sub 24. In other words, probably come down, maybe wick under there. And then we'll have all this sideways consolidation over here, which come to find out was distribution institutions, whoever going short and bailing out of their positions because we then dumped, and that's how you can tell if so you sit on your hands as I was talking about earlier because you don't know if these consolidation zones are accumulation so that they don't get big green candles here to the upside. They can get an average price and or it's distribution because they don't want a big red candle here coming in selling all at once. They want to sell, and have a better price point. Let's go to gold here, and again we caught almost the high here and short on it. And as you can see, previous resistance through here, rolled back under, got back over it, and the 20 helping us. But if we start trading another 20, again, odds probability, that's all you had to work with in this business. Right through here, support, and then by then the 50 should be up to help. So we're calling around, 1980, 1900 for gold if we lose this key area. And oil, we're, short it. We were long, if you remember these videos we had put out, and then went short. But anyway, guys, appreciate you guys watching. Check out our micro futures course below and teach you guys how to do this stuff. Our Patreon member side, give us a follow on Twitter, and we will see you on the charts.